Well, soldiers, are you ready to get on the helicopter?
Sir, yes, sir. We are both more than ready.
Very well, soldiers. Go talk to the general and be very careful during the trip.
Hey, you, what the hell it's mean?
Honestly, I don't know. But let's move.
Thank you so much, soldiers, for volunteering to take the helicopter. This mission will be a little dangerous, so are you ready?
Hey, you listen, I don't want to die.
Don't worry, buddy. I got you.
Okay, General, we will do it.
We're ready. No fear, no mercy.
Very well, soldiers, let's do it.
Here, Alpha Dragonfly 1. Ready to take action.
Permit granted. Bon voyage.
Don't be scared, man. We will do it.
Yes, sir, let's make the magic, bro.